Did you know in Canva, when you've got at the home part here, you've got recommended for you, templates, that this beautiful design here, you think you love the colors and you're enjoying this quote and you think it's fantastic. So you click on it and it will bring you to that design that you can download and use. Definitely give credit to Canva for making this awesome option for you to download. Just click that right there. This is brought to you by Patricia Regier, your Canva certified creative.